Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a book cover using Canva for free. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile. Now in this URL box type canva.com, or you can search on Google the Canva website. Open the official website. Now after opening the website, you have to log in with the registered account. For making account, just use your Gmail account. It's for free. Register on the canva.com. Now here you can see the create design option. Click on here. Now in the search list type book cover. As you can see here, I can see the book cover option here. Click on here. Now the best thing and the most essential thing about the Canva is it offers you thousands of templates for your book cover suggestions. For example, I want to create a dragon stuff cover of for my book, so I will search Dungeons and Dragons. Click on here. Now you can see it offers me hundreds of ideas relating to my book cover. Okay, this one looks cool. Now to change the text, just double click on the text and type your text. You can change the font of the text by double clicking on here, and you can basically search your typical font. And okay, you can also maximize and minimize the size by changing it, and you can change the color by clicking on here. For example, I want to change it to red color, so select the text and change it to red color. And that's it guys. Now you know how to create a book cover for free on canva.com. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video.